A decade ago, Bitcoin was not much more than just a decentralized protocol that was only really known about in the computer developer scene. But it wasn't until one man made a revolutionary decision and used thousands of Bitcoins to pay for a single order of pizzas. And that one transaction really changed the game for cryptocurrencies forever. But before we start, Alfacash is a great platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and other blockchain tokens. So be sure to visit the link in the description below and start trading today. And this is a brand new channel covering everything crypto, so be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and there will be much more content coming out in the future. Now let's get into today's video. Back in 2010, a man in Florida made history by being the first person to make a commercial transaction solely using Bitcoin. And this was a huge milestone for Bitcoin as a currency. That man's name was Laszlo Hanyecz, and he set out to really see if Bitcoin could actually be used for transactions. Because at the time, this was the first blockchain that was out, so there really wasn't a market for buying and selling these coins. So Laszlo wrote in a post on Bitcoin Talk asking if anyone would be willing to make this trade. In the post he said, "I'll pay 10,000 Bitcoins for a couple of pizzas. Like maybe 2 large ones so I have some left over for the next day. I like having leftover pizza to nibble on later. If you're interested, please let me know and we can work out a deal." After a couple of days of looking and trying to find someone to broker this trade, finally a 19-year-old man named Jeremy Sturdivant agreed and helped carry out this deal. So that night he ordered 2 large pizzas and the price came out to around $41. And with the price of Bitcoin at the time being $0.0041 per coin, he agreed to pay 10,000 Bitcoins. I mean, just think about that, 10,000 Bitcoins. I mean, at the time, Laszlo probably thought he was basically just getting free pizza. But now doing the math with the current price of Bitcoin being over $37,000 per coin, those 10,000 Bitcoins would now be worth over $370 million. And while a story like this is easy to just focus on the potential money he could have saved by just keeping those coins, I mean, a transaction like this was revolutionary and it really helped pave the way for cryptocurrencies today. So now to honor this iconic transaction, May 22nd has been marked Bitcoin Pizza Day. And later when Laszlo was asked about what he thinks about this whole transaction, he says, yeah, obviously the money would have been nice, but he's much more satisfied with knowing that he was the first person to ever make a commercial transaction solely using Bitcoin. And this story really just shows how far Bitcoin has come in such a short amount of time. While Bitcoin is still pretty far off from being universally accepted, I mean, we could just see how this technology will continue to advance and be implemented into our daily lives. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alfacash is a great platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange all cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and other blockchain tokens. So be sure to hit the link in the description below and start trading today. Also, this is a brand new channel, so be sure to keep up and there will be much more content coming out in the future. Until next time.